In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a horizontal line in Google Docs. This straightforward process will help you add a splash of color to your document by inserting a horizontal line exactly where you need it. So let's dive in and explore each step together in detail. First things first, you'll want to decide where you'd like this colorful horizontal line to appear in your document. Once you have a spot in mind, position your cursor right there. This ensures the line appears in the perfect place that complements your content seamlessly. With your cursor in place, navigate to the top of your document and click on Format in the menu bar. This will open up a drop-down menu providing a range of options to spruce up your text and document layout. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Paragraph and Styles. Clicking on this will reveal yet another menu, and from here, you'll want to select Borders and Shading. This particular setting is where the magic happens, offering you the tools to customize how your horizontal line will look. Now it's time to decide on the placement of your horizontal line. You'll see options like bottom border and top border. Each of these will place your line in the corresponding position in relation to the selected text or paragraph. Choose whichever fits your needs best. Once you've decided on the placement, you can further personalize the line by adjusting its thickness. For this example, let's go with a slightly thicker option by setting it to 2.25 points. You'll find that a bolder line often stands out beautifully on the page, giving your document a bit more flair. Next, you might want to consider if you'd like to add any dashes to your line for a different stylistic touch. The default is a solid line, which is always a good choice for a clean and professional look. However, if you feel adventurous, go ahead and explore the dashed options available. But for our purpose today, we will stick with the default. Lastly, let's choose a color for your line. This is an excellent way to inject a bit of vibrancy into your document. Simply click on the border color option and select from the spectrum of colors available. Pick a color that complements your document's theme or simply one that catches your fancy. Once you've made all your selections and are happy with how the line is looking, it's time to apply these settings to your document. Do this by clicking the Apply button, and voila! You now have a beautifully colored horizontal line perfectly tailored to enhance your document's design and flow. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add colored horizontal lines to your Google Docs, contributing to a more visually appealing and organized document. Enjoy experimenting with different styles and colors to suit your individual needs.